Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm leaving a blank cell. Now we are going to H. What is the number of H?
H is
1, 2, 5.
1, 2,
5.
5. If I put dot 3 here, which number would it become?
1, 2, 3, 5.
Now it is the letter of R. So what is the number of R?
1, 2, 3, 5.
S. Now I. What is the number of I?
2, 4.
2, 4.
2, 4.
If I put dot 3 here, right?
Yes.
Which number would it become?
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4. So which letter would it be?
Letter S.
S. This is letter
S.
S. What is the number of S?
2, 3, 4.
Now we are moving to J. What is the number of J?
2,
2,
4,
4, 5. 2,
5. 4, 5.
5. If I put dot 3 here, would it become, which number would it become?
2, 3,
4, 5.
4, 5.
Yes, so which letter is it?
Letter T.
T.
Letter T. What is the number of T?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, we have learned the second line. Okay, so now
Pause, pause, stop.
now I open it and show you. This is letter K, 1, 3. Now this is letter L. It is 1, 2, 3. This is letter M, 1, 3, 4. This is letter N, 1, 3, 4, 5. This is letter O, 1, 3, 5. This is letter P, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is letter R, 1, 2, 3, 5. This is letter, this is letter Q, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is letter R, 1, 2, 3, 5. This is letter S, 2, 3, 4. This is letter T, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Now we continue and we will go to line number 3. We will learn the third line. We will learn the third line, which is third line. Now third line is called
Dot 6 line.
dot 3 and 6 line. Dot
3 and 6.
dot 3 and
6 line.
6 line. Dot 3 and 6 line. Okay? Dot 3 and 6 line. So again we will use the same first line, A to J. Just we will add 3 and 6 with it. Okay? So A. What is the number of A?
1.
1.
1. If I put 3, 6 with it, what number would it become?
3, 6 to A. You
Yeah.
have U.
U.
1, 3, 6. What number would it become? 1, 3, 6.
1,
What
3, 6.
number would it become? 1, 3, 6. Which letter is it?
U.
U. Next. Now we are getting next 10 characters. We are getting next 10 characters. But remember one thing. This line does not have which letter? W.
W.
This line does not have W.
W, yeah.
So only W is missing, otherwise next 10 letters. So next is B. What is the number of B?
1, 2.
1, 2. If I add 3, 6 with it, what number would it become?
1, 2, 3, 6.
1, 2, 3, 6. It is, which letter is it?
V.
V.
Letter
What is
V.
the number of V?
1, 2, 3, 6.
Yes. We are leaving a blank cell, mean space. Then we are going next to the next cell. Now here we will write C.
1, 4.
1, 4. 1, 4.
4.
If I add 3, 6 with it, which number would it become?
1, 3, 4, 6.
1, 3, 4, 6. Which letter is it?
Letter X.
X, not W. Because it's a French system and there is no W in French. So we here we don't have W. W would come in the fourth line. Okay.
Okay.
So now we are leaving a blank cell. We are leaving a
Blank cell.
blank cell means a space. What is the number of D? 1,
145.
1, 4, 5.
5. Yes.
If I add 3, 6 with it, which number would it become?
1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So it is, which letter it is?
Y.
Y. Letter Y.
Y.
So what is the number of Y?
1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Leaving a blank cell. Okay.
Yes.
Now I press E. What is the number of E?
1, 5.
If I add 3, 6 with it, which number would it become?
1, 3,
1, 3, 5, 6.
1, 3, 5, 6. And which letter is it?
Z.
Which letter is it? Z.
Z.
So what is the number of Z or Z?
1, 3, 5, 6.
Yeah, some people call it Z.
Z, yeah,
Some
Z.
people call it
Z.
Even some Britishers call it Z,
Z.
as well, right?
Yeah.
So now we are leaving a blank cell and writing F. What is the number of F? 1, 2, 4. 1, 2,
4.
4. If I add 3, 6 with it, so which number would it become?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This is the sign of contraction of and, because Braille uses a lot of shorthands, symbols. We call them contractions. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 is the contraction of and. Okay. Now I'm leaving a blank cell and I'm writing G. What is the number of G?
1, 2, 4, 5.
4, 5.
Yes.
If I add 3, 6 with it, so which number is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the dots. All the
Dots.
That is the contraction of
4.
4. That is the symbol of 4. That is the shorthand of 4. So what is the number of 4?
1, 2,
3,
3,
4, 5, 6. 4, F-O-R. Right? Now leaving a blank space. And now I write H. What is the number of H?
1, 2, 5.
5. If I add 3, 6 with it, which number is it?
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6.
5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 5,
Five,
6.
six.
1, 2, 3,
5,
5,
6.
6. That is the contraction of
Off.
That is the contraction of
Off.
off. Leave a blank space and then what is the number of off? Tell me the number again.
1, 2,
3, 5, 6. Now I'm leaving a space and moving to the next cell. I. What is the number of I?
2, 4.
2, 4. If I add 3, 6 with it,
You have 2, 3, 4, 6.
2, 3, 4, 6. That is the contraction of
TH.
T-H-E.
D.
T-H-E. The. Some people call it the. Some people call it
The.
So it is up to you, whatever you call it. Right?
Yeah.
The or do. Right? Or I have some people calling it do. Right? So it is so. And some Scottish I have heard calling them do. Oh yeah, I don't know. Do. So a little bit O sound with do. Yeah. So what is the number of the contraction of the? 2, 3, 4, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6. Now we are moving to J. What is the number of J?
2, 4, 5.
2, 4, 5. If I put 3, 6 with it, what number would it become?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That is the contraction of
Width.
width. That is the contraction of width. W-I-T-H, width. Clear? So what is the number of the contraction of width?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
For 2, 5. Because in Braille, the Braille takes a lot of space and effort. So therefore we have a lot of contractions. Okay? So now I open it, show you. This is U136. This is V1236. This is X1346. This is Y13456. This is Z or Z1356. This is AND 12346. This is for 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is off 1 2 3 5 6. This is the 2 3 4 6, and this is with 2 3 4 5 6. Good. Now we are moving to line number
4.
yes. Yaya
Yes.
and Ahmed.
Yes.
We are moving to line number
4.
line number
4.
4.
And line number 4 is called what? Is there any name for line number?
Yeah, there is.
It's called what?
I will tell you. Wait.
Okay.
First, I come to yes. Okay. Now we are going to line number 4. Line number call is called dot 6 line. Dot
6 lines.
dot 6 line. Dot 6 line. Yes. So if I use A again, 1, and put dot 6 with it, which number is it? Which number is it?
1, 3.
1, 3. So 1, 3 is the contraction of
Sorry, 1, 6. 1, 6.
1, 6. Sorry, 1, 3. I'm guessing. 1, 6. 1, 6 is the contraction of
CH.
CH. If it comes in the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a word, it is CH, like
CH.
church. Right?
Yeah.
We can use CH. But if it comes alone, I mean comes alone means there is a cell space before 1, 6, and there is a space after 1, 6. It means child. It means
Child.
Child. Okay. So now we are going to B. What is the number of B?
1, 2.
1, 2. If I put dot 6 with it,
1 plus 6.
1 to
6.
6. So this is the number. This is the sign of
GH.
GH. Whether it comes in the beginning, middle, or that at the end of a word, this is called
GH.
GH. That is the contraction of GH. Clear? Now we are going to see 1, 4.
1, 4.
If I add dot 6 with it, what number is it?
1, 4, 6.
1, 4, 6. So it is 1, 4, 6.
Yes.
This is the contraction of
SH.
SH. Okay? That is the contraction of
SH.
Whether it comes in the beginning, middle, or at the end of a word. But if it comes alone, I mean there is a space before it and after it, then it means shell.
Shell, yeah.
It means
Shell.
shell. Now leaving a space blank, leaving a space, and now I am writing D. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. If I put dot 6 here, what number is it?
1, 4,
5, 6.
5, 6.
1, 4,
5.
what number is it? 1, 4,
5,
6.
Yeah.
So this is the sign of
TH.
TH. if it comes in a word, middle, beginning, or at the end of a. But if it comes alone, it means this. It means this. THIS. Okay? Now I put E. What is the number of E?
1 5.
1 5. And if I put dot 6 with it,
1
1 5 6. Which number is it? 1 5
1 5
6. Which sign is it?
with. Sorry, WH.
WH. This is the sign of WH.
WH.
Whether it comes in the middle, beginning, or at the end of a word. But if it comes alone, it is
Which?
which. What is the spelling of which?
WHICH.
WHICH. Leaving a space, and now I write F. What is the number of F?
1 4. Sorry,
1 2 4. If I put dot 6 with it,
1 2 4 6.
1 2 4 6. So that is the sign of ED. Wherever it comes, in the middle, in the beginning, or at the end of
At the end of the word.
leaving a space blank. Now I'm writing G.
G.
What is the number of G?
1 2 4 5.
1 2 4 5.
Yes.
Okay? 1 2 4 5. If I put dot 6 with it,
Yeah.
What number is it?
1 2 4 5 6.
1 2 4 5 6.
Yes.
1 2
4,
4 5
5,
6.
6, yes.
Which sign is it?
ER.
ER. No matter it comes in the middle, in the beginning, or at the end of a
word.
Leaving a space blank. Now I'm writing H.
Okay.
Okay. What is the number of H?
1 2 5.
1 2 5. If I put dot 6 with it,
1 2 5 6.
1 2 5 6. 1 2
5,
5
6.
6. So this is the sign of
OU.
OU. Sign of
OU.
OU. If it comes in the middle, in the beginning, or at the end of a word. But if it comes alone,
Out.
it means
Out.
out. OUT. If it comes alone, I mean there is a blank cell before at that. Now I'm leaving a blank cell. Now I'm writing I.
2 4.
What is the number of I?
2 4.
2 4. And if I put dot 6 with it,
2 4
which
6.
number is it?
2 4 6.
2 4 6. This is the sign of
OW.
OW. So that is OW, whether it comes in the middle, in the beginning, or at the end of a word. Leaving a blank cell. Now I'm writing J. What is the number of J? 2 4 5. So 2 4 5. It is J. It is J. So if I put dot 6 here, what number is it?
2 4 5 6.
2 4 5 6. And what it is?
W.
W. You know, we were missing it. So we
now got
didn't
it.
discuss it in the third line. It
Yeah.
has come in the fourth
line.
This is the last character of the fourth line.
Fourth line.
Okay. So now I open it. I show it to you. This is 1 6. The sign of CH.
CH.
This is 1 2 6. The sign of GH. This is the this is 1 4 6.
1 4 6.
Sign of SH. This is 1 4 5 6. This is the sign of TH. This is 1 5 6. The sign of WH. This is 1 2 4 6. The sign of ED. Okay.
Yes.
This is 1 2 4 5 6. The sign of ER. This is 1 2 5 6. The sign of OU. This is 2 4 6. The sign of OW. This is 2 4 5 6. And this is the letter of
W.
10:15
a.m.